How to use your own voice in Suno AI. I'm going to tell you how to use your own voice in Suno AI. First, record a short clip of your voice between 6 and 60 seconds using any audio app. For Pro or Premiere users, you can go up to 120 seconds. Make sure it's clean and clear. Next, log into Suno and click Create. Select Upload Audio and choose your recording. Once uploaded, tap Extend. Here, you can pick a genre, enter lyrics, and set the vibe. Suno will generate a song that builds upon your voice. If you want to remix your vocals, you can use the cover feature. Upload your voice and Suno will reimagine it in a new style. This is great for experimenting with different genres.